All right, everybody. Just wanted to clarify our little experiment today is just for entertainment purposes. Please do not follow my advice or do the things that I do. Check with an electrician before you do any of this garbage. This is just me trying to save money and have an electrician put 220 into a garage that I don't even own, that I'm in a house that I'm renting. So that being said, we'll get to the video. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a interesting little video today. So anyone that watched my last video, I was talking about cutting the neck off of the compressor side of the turbo and welding on an elbow. So let me grab that stuff real quick. I'll show you what I mean. So here we go, the turbo. What we're gonna do is just cut it off right here, and then I actually got this elbow from Precision. So I'll probably cut the lip off of this side here, and then we'll just weld it on what angle we need. The only problem I'm running into is this aluminum is pretty thick on both sides, and my welder on 220 or on 110 just will not do it. That was a problem we ran into when we did the radiator mount. Just wouldn't get hot enough to clean and do what it needed to do. So I've actually ran all over the place looking for parts. I finally found this extension cord at Airgas, which is the right connection for the welder, but not the right connection. What I'm gonna do is plug this into my outlet where my dryer's plugged into, since my dryer's right by the garage door. Anyways, I'm gonna plug it in there. So I need to chop this end off. So yeah, we need to chop this end off. We'll have this end plug in for the welder. And then I ran to an electrical supply store and got this fitting here. So we're gonna chop this side off, connect this here. This will plug into where the dryer plugs in, and then we should be good, hopefully. Because the last thing I want to do is destroy this fantastic welder. So we're gonna give it a shot and we're gonna see what happens. The only thing I can think of, because this is a 3-prong, I think I may have to only use 3 of the terminals off of this. One will be ground, and then we'll have to use 2 others. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna kind of look at the directions here and see what I can find out on this. So I'm just gonna get the rest of my stuff ready, chop this off, get the wires exposed, and then I'll be right back with everybody. All right, well, I hope this works. This cable only had 3 wires in it, as you can see, just the black, green, and white. Did not have a red one like a normal washer or dryer or range or something like that would have. So anyways, the instructions say obviously green wires your ground, and then it says black or red here or here, either or, and then your white one's here at the bottom. So I'm going to set it up this way, and I hope that there's no issues with it. I hope it works all right. So I'm going to get this cover put back on, get this all buttoned up, and do a little bit of research before I plug it in, because the last thing I want to do is plug this in and destroy a $3,000 welder. So I could care less about the cord. I can care less about blowing a breaker or anything like that. But if I destroy that thing, that's going to suck. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to get this buttoned up and get it plugged in. Well, like I said, do some research, and then we'll go from there. So anyways, pretty simple process. You know, just chop this end off. Obviously, I don't have any big electrician tools to cut this big heavy gauge wire, so I just improvise with a knife and some snips and stuff. So anyways, I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so welcome back. I think I did a good thing. I'm not sure, but I have not plugged it into the welder yet. That's the only thing that I'm holding back from right now. But positive side of things, this is a lighted extension cord. As you can see, it is lit up green. I'm assuming that if we weren't getting good power to that it wouldn't be lit up. Might be wrong, but that's my story and I'm sticking to it today. Anyways, coming in here, don't mind the mess in the laundry room, but I just ran it out the door, right up through here, and right into the back there. Can't really see it, but anyways, it looks like it's gonna work pretty well. So I'm gonna clean up my mess here, and I'm gonna pull the welder over. I'm gonna cross my fingers. We're gonna plug it in and we're gonna see if it powers up. Powers up and everything looks good. All the adjustments on the front should change for 220. So I should know then if I did everything right. The downside of this is if I did it wrong and this isn't supposed to happen, I'm gonna fry the machine. So stay tuned for fried machine. Alrighty, well, we got her plugged into the machine there. Got the power flipped on, and she's powered up. 140 amps is all that it'll go up to. I have to check the manual, make sure that that's normal, but I don't believe when I was plugged into 110 that it actually showed me the option for 1/8 inch. So I think that's the highest that this machine, I don't know, I'd be lying. I gotta check the manual and see. That's obviously a little bit higher. The aluminum that I am dealing with is 1/8 inch, so it should be, once I trim off that edge, it should be pretty close. Got a tape measure around here somewhere. Have to get a measurement on that. But anyways, I'm just here in a little bit. I'm gonna fire this welder up, and that's gonna be a whole different video. So I just kind of wanted to do this one to kind of show, you know, what I was trying to do to get a little bit more power out of this machine with my current setup in the garage. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you didn't, or if you did, give it a thumbs up, like, all that good stuff. Definitely stay tuned for videos coming. I know I've drug out the Infinity build. It's taken a lot of time. I've pretty much been doing everything by myself. No excuses. It's just my first project, and it's taken me some time. But definitely stay tuned to the channel for this year, for 2020. Yeah, I've definitely got some more builds coming. We've got a new place that we're going to be working out of that I think everybody will really enjoy. A lot more space, and we're going to have some new goodies in there. So please stay tuned, like the videos, share them, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you in the next video.